Every doctor tells you to reach for ibuprofen or Tylenol the second your joints ache. They're right that you need relief, but here's what they don't tell you. Standard painkillers are linked to a 33% increase in heart attacks for people our age. This isn't just getting old. It's a biological fire that pills only mask, but 5 specific foods can actually put it out. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly which foods work better than the pharmacy, starting with the one that acts like a master switch for pain. I'm here to share something that could save your mobility. Many of us over 60 are taught that stiff hands and aching knees are an inevitable debt we have to pay to time. But after seeing how the right nutrients can cut pain scores more effectively than prescriptions, I know there's a better way. Today, 5 medical-grade foods that rebuild your joints from the inside out. Because after 60, your body deserves daily kindness, not just care in a crisis. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that your joints feel like they've been filled with thick, cold glue in the morning? Doctors call this the gel phenomenon. It happens because your cells are packed with omega-6 fats from the standard Western diet, which is like pouring gasoline on the fire of inflammation. Think of your joint lining like a high-precision engine. When you eat fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, the omega-3s act like high-grade synthetic oil. They literally kick out the rusty omega-6 fats and replace them in your cell membranes. This is called competitive inhibition. You're cutting the power line to the alarm system before it can even ring. Follow the 2-2-2 rule. 2 servings of oily fish per week, each 3 to 4 ounces. Canned sardines in your salad are a budget-friendly way to hit this therapeutic level. If you felt that morning glue feeling in your hands, you're not alone. Drop a comment below and tell me how long it usually takes for your joints to thaw. Here's something about joint lubrication that research only recently uncovered, and it involves a liquid you probably already have in your kitchen. Can I share something that shocked me? You might be using a kitchen staple in a way that actually destroys its pain-fighting power. Most of us use butter or vegetable oil to cook, but those fats can increase inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. Think of extra virgin olive oil like a natural liquid ibuprofen. It contains a compound called oleocanthal. It works by clamping down on your pain sensors exactly like a pill. But here's the catch. Heat is like a blowtorch to that compound. If you fry with it, you lose the medicine. Use it as a finishing oil. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of high-quality, cold-pressed olive oil over your food after it's cooked. Look for that throaty bite or peppery sting. That's the oleocanthal working. Pay attention here. This next food pairing is the difference between wasting your money and actually blocking the order to attack on your joints. Have you ever tried turmeric for your pain and felt like it didn't do a single thing? Turmeric contains curcumin, a golden compound that is world-class at blocking inflammation, but your body is incredibly bad at absorbing it. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in the bottom. Your liver is like a high-tech security firewall that identifies curcumin as an outsider and deletes it from your system immediately. But black pepper contains piperine. Think of piperine as a backdoor code that temporarily lowers the firewall. This increases curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%. Never take turmeric alone. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a generous pinch of black pepper to your eggs, soups, or even your morning latte. But this next food group? Everyone thinks they're just side dishes. In fact, research shows they contain a compound that acts like armor for your bones. Picture this. What if you could stop the enzymes that are literally eating your cartilage right now? In osteoarthritis, your body produces enzymes that act like microscopic Pac-Men, munching away at the smooth padding in your knees and hips until it's bone on bone. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane. Think of your joints like the steel frame of a house. Chronic inflammation causes that frame to rust and crumble. Sulforaphane activates your body's internal rust-proofing protocol, the NRTF2 pathway, which neutralizes the oxidative stress that pits and scars your joint surfaces. Aim for 1 to 2 cups of cruciferous vegetables daily. Lightly steam them to preserve the vitamins and pair them with that olive oil we talked about to boost absorption. Have you found a specific way to cook broccoli that your joints actually love? Share your recipe in the comments. Here's why this last food group matters more after 60 than any other age. Your body produces fewer antioxidants every year, and this final microdose is what stops the clock. Chronic inflammation is like living in a constant acidic drizzle that slowly erodes everything in its path. Deep-colored berries like blueberries and tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins. These antioxidants act like a shield, neutralizing the storm before it can damage your joint tissues. Add half a cup of frozen mixed berries to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Frozen is often better because they're picked at peak ripeness, locking in those joint-shielding nutrients. What I've shared today could be the difference between staying independent and needing a walker within the next 5 years. Don't let these tips just sit there. Pick one to start tomorrow. So, fish for the cellular switch, olive oil for natural numbing, turmeric with pepper for absorption, broccoli for rust-proofing, and berries for the daily shield. You don't need to overhaul your entire pantry today. Pick just one of these, maybe the olive oil finishing rule, and try it for a week. If this video showed you there's a better path than daily painkillers, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people who are taking those pills every single day can discover this knowledge. They deserve to know there's another way. And subscribe to March right now, not just for more videos, but for your independence, your health independence. Because the information we share here could be the exact thing that keeps you active, mobile, and medication-free for years to come. Let's keep you moving.